Welcome to the part 2 of the video. Now we will start the game. The game is called Flexbox Froggy. Yeah, you have to go to this site, flexboxfroggy.com, and start playing. What you have to do is you have to put a frog on a lily pad, and yeah, that's it. After you do that using flex properties, the level will be cleared. So there will be some content written here. You can use it as a guide to learn, and yeah, pause the video and try it yourself, and if you feel like you're stuck, you can look at my solution. We are going to play only the levels which we have studied. We don't want to, you know, try so many different properties that we are never going to use. So let's get started. Here we can see that we have to move horizontally. So for that we have learned justify content. So write justify content, and here we have to write end. And you can see the frog is now on the pad. Hit next. The level is cleared. It was as easy as that. So now we have two frogs, two pads, and once again we have to move horizontally. So once again, justify content, and this time I think it should be center. It worked. Now we have three, and once again horizontal movement. So try justify content. Let's say space between. It is little off. So we have another option. We can try space around. It worked. So it's about trial and error. Now once again we have three pads and horizontal movement. So once again we will justify content. This time space between looks fine. Yeah. Hit next. Now we have vertical movement. So this time we have to use align items, and it looks like end. Yeah, it worked. Don't forget the semicolon. Now we have to do both horizontal movement and vertical movement. So we have to use a combination. So justify content center and align items center. Now we have to use combination again. First, let's go to bottom. So align items and now justify content space around. Yes, space around. Now we have to move horizontally. So first thing that would come to mind is uh, justify content end, but you can see the order is different. So you must remember that we tried flex direction, and if we set it to row reverse, it will start from right, and you can see the order is now changed, and this is what we were looking for. Now we have to first change the direction. So let's change flex direction to column. It worked. Now uh, we have to change the direction again. So let's flex direction row reverse. See, now the order is correct, but we still have to move it horizontally. So we will justify content to start. It worked. Now we have to first change the direction to column. So flex direction column. The order is correct. Now we have to move it vertically. So for vertically, we need to use align items. But it changed horizontally. Why is that? Remember I told you if we change the flex direction to column, the justify content will become align items and align items will become justify content. So I had to write justify content to move it vertically. Now it worked. Now once again we have to change the direction to column. And justify content to space between. Yeah, but something's off. Yeah, the colors are not matching, so we have to reverse the order. Column reverse. It worked. Now we have to move in the center and then go down. So justify content to center, align items in the end. Now we have to change direction. So flex direction, uh, row reverse. It worked. Now this is a property called order. I never used order, so I will skip it. And if you feel like you have to learn it and clear the game, you can use ChatGPT or Google to learn it and then play it. I will move to 15. It's also using order, so I will move to 16. Now align self. Yeah, I don't use that, so yeah, skip that as well. This too. Now we are at wrap, and we studied wrap. So let's wrap. Flex wrap. We can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements, and they look really bad. So if we wrap them, then the extra element should come to bottom. So flex wrap, wrap. Yeah, it worked. It was easy one. Now this is so bad. First, let's flex wrap to wrap. Now something seems off. So let's change the direction. Flex direction to column. Yeah, it worked. And yeah, there were hints at the top too. So you can try it. Uh, flex wrap to wrap. Oh, so it's telling us to use these properties together. We haven't studied it and we are probably never going to use it, but let's, for the sake of this level, do it. They're saying that flex direction and flex wrap can be used together with flex flow, and we can write direction and wrap to set them the way we want it. Okay, so first we have to add direction. The direction we want is column, and wrap we want it to wrap. So wrapped. Yes, it worked. Now we have align content. We are not going to use that again. again. And this one also need align content. We do not need that right now. And if you really feel like you need to know it and you have to clear this level for your satisfaction, just go and learn align content. But it's not that important right now. Now let's talk about the assignment. Instead of making it part 3 of the same video, I am going to make another video with 2 parts for the assignment. The first part will be uh, telling you what's the assignment, and the second part will be me going through the assignment myself, and you can follow along if you can make it, and find out more tips if you missed anything. So see you in the next video and be ready for the assignment.